Next up, I'm gonna show you how to solve the ALEKS problem, highlight the indicated carbons. So what ALEKS is gonna do is it's gonna show us a compound, and what it wants us to do is to highlight the carbons and identify them as either primary, secondary, tertiary, or quaternary with 4. And so we look at kind of the structure itself, and kind of my trick is, or my tips, and I'll tell you early on, is that I draw a circle around each carbon and I count the number of directions that the lines are pointing in. And then my second tip is that I count the overall carbons in the compound and match it with the quantity of circles at the end. So kind of with my first trick, this is what I mean. I circle a carbon and I see how many directions it's going out. So in this case, I see this only going out in one direction. So that's 1. The second one, I highlight the center carbon right here, and I see that it's going out in 1, 2 directions. For tertiary, I see I have my center carbon, I have it going out in 1, 2, 3. And then for quaternary, center carbon right here, and I have it going out in 1, 2, 3, 4 directions. So my next trick is that I count the overall carbons in the overall structure. So I have 16, and at the end, when I highlight each carbon, I like to highlight them and then put a number right by them just to make sure that I had a number 16 at the end. So now we can go through the problem itself. First, we'll highlight the tertiary, or number 3 carbon. So I'll scan, look what I have here, and I see that I have 1 here. So again, you can count directions, 1, 2, 3. I have 1 right here. Circle it, look at the center carbon in 1, 2, 3 different directions, and 1 more right here. And I count them 1, 2, 3. And so I'll put 3 right here for the 3 carbons. Now I'll look for 4 carbons. So I'll look for them that look like this structure right here on the 4. So I can see I have 1, this exact copy right here. So that's 1. And then I have another one right here. And so I look 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that should be it for my tertiary. So I'll put a 2. Next, I'll highlight my number 1 carbons. And a pro trick for this one is your number 1s are the ones that's usually just facing out, right? It's this direction, or either. But here you got 1, and the 1s are usually fairly simple: 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's 5. And so right now I can count to see that I got 10 overall. So that means with my last one, for my secondary ones, I should have 6 more. That way I'll have 16, which matches up top. But let's count just to make sure. So we have 1 right here. So this is 1, 2, because you want to highlight them in the question anyway. 3, 4, 5, 6, and you want to just rescan the molecule or compound just to make sure. And so I have 6. And then at the end, I'll just do my tally to make sure that the numbers match. So I have 3. So this is 5 plus 5 right here. That's 10, 16, and it matches up with 16 in the question. So again, fairly simple, just counting carbons. And again, if this channel or this video helped you or your classmates at all, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.